Hello GNA team, I'm Kasia and that's Andrea.
Hello.
And we're here to give you a quick tutorial on our Path Integration VR task. We are using the same headset as you already have. I will be pretending to be the experimenter today, collecting data from our model participant, Andrea. We have two controllers. One is for the participant and one is for the experimenter if they want to control the task. Now we'll also be using an app that we discussed, which allows the experimenter to see what the participant is viewing in the VR. So during an experimental session, when a participant comes in, we would first give them a tutorial that Andrea has built inside the VR. And this tutorial has a little bit more instructions to give the participant a feel of the task. So it has a little bit more instructions and a little bit more text. But the main instructions are the same as in the actual task. So the participant will get familiar with that. And we believe that it may be helpful if the experimenter actually reads the instructions to the participant to avoid any kind of reading tiredness. So they will be able to see the text, but we recommend that the experimenter reads it out loud to them because we can see what they're saying inside the app. So there are two trials with longer instructions inside the tutorial, and the tutorial can be repeated as many times as needed for the participant to feel comfortable with the task. So now Andrea is navigating to the tutorial.
I'm starting the task first. So the first time you install the app, the APK, once you started the first time, this is you'll be like in this neutral environment. There is this menu which has three buttons. The thing you have to check the first time you install the app is that by clicking on the right bottom icon, you go into the settings and you notice that everything is basically switched on in terms of angle and distances. So basically you're doing the full task. And then you check that you're happy with the play area size that you can adjust by moving these bars. The important is that you allow the diagonal of this area to be at least 4.5 meters, which is the maximum distance that participants will walk. And once you're happy with this, you need to click on the green button. So this is what you have to do the first time. Then to go into the tutorial, there is this other blue icon on the bottom left, and I'm gonna click it now, and then Kasia will keep speaking.
Welcome to our quest. In this task, you will collect magic crystals hidden within secret caves. There's only one crystal to find in each cave. Click the button to continue instructions.
I think it's switched off.
So now it can be either the participant or the experimenter proceeding with the instructions. Each cave has a secret entrance above you. You will climb the ladder to reach it. Click button to continue. It is time to enter the cave. Walk to the feet symbol on the floor, stand on it, and align yourself using the arrow. So now Andrea can look down on the feet to show us how it looks like. Go to the cave entrance. Perfect. I will now help you to climb the ladder. Please wait. Well done. You are now inside the cave. Take time to notice the hole beneath you. That's where you came out from. Remember its location. And we click button to continue. Once you find the crystal, you will place it into the hole. This is how you take the crystal with you. Now, let's find the crystal. Walk straight to the ground marker. When you step on it, the rest of the cave will open up. The cave has opened up. A magic crystal is nearby. You'll find it by turning on the spot, following the direction of the green arrows. Attention! Start rotating and do not stop until the crystal appears. Do not turn the other way or look around. Turn on the spot, following the direction of the arrows to find the crystal. Yes, you found the crystal. Remember the hole you came out from? It is now hidden under the fog. To collect the crystal, you need to place it back into the hidden hole following our instructions. This will require 2 steps. First, while standing still, turn to face the hole, following the direction of the green arrow. Turn on the spot, following the direction of the arrows to face where the hole was. Great! Now, for the second step, use the controller as a pointer to place the crystal into the hole. There's no need to walk, just aim and position it. Place the crystal in the hidden hole by using the pointer and confirm with a press. Congratulations! You have collected the crystal. Remember, this task is about collecting the crystal by placing it correctly into the hole. Take your time and do your best when following the green arrows to turn and gently position the crystal into the hole. It is okay to take it step by step. So that has been one trial with longer instructions inside the tutorial that the experimenter has been guiding the participant for the first time.
The other trial is exactly the same, but for the sake of showing it, we are going to show you that I can just do it myself without the control of the experimenter. So you can decide if either to give the instruction to the participants or have the participant try to do it in a self-paced way. So the instructions are exactly the same. So welcome to our quest and etc, etc. I'm just gonna skip it quickly, just showing you that I can click and continue. Now we're back into the new neutral environment. So from here we can start the task or we can repeat the tutorial if it's necessary. That's it.